Hello, everybody! Did you like my tap dancing? I love to do tap dancing. I also love to do ballet. And I like to play other sports as well. Like, I like to play volleyball and I like to play tennis. But there are some activities that I don't like very much. I don't like to go swimming and I don't like to go canoeing very much. But these are the things that we are going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the sports and activities that we go, play, and do. Are you ready? So when we talk about certain sports and activities, we use the verbs go, play, and do. But how do we know which one to use? We can think about the rules. We use go with sports ending in ing, like go swimming, go cycling, go hiking, go sailing. The exception is do boxing and do fencing, because those are fighting sports, but we don't have to worry about the exceptions too much. We use play with games with a ball and competitive activities, like play volleyball, play football, play chess, and play video games. The exceptions would be go bowling because it ends in ing, and play darts even though there's no ball. But again, we don't have to worry about the exceptions too much. Finally, we use do with all other sports, usually exercise activities and sports ending in ix, like gymnastics and aerobics. So for example, we do yoga, do puzzles, do karate, and do exercise. And what about you? What sports do you do? Okay, let's practice those rules that we just learned. Here we have go, play, and do, with lots of sports and activities. Let's sort these activities into go, play, and do. Starting with volleyball. Volleyball is a competitive sport with a ball. So we play volleyball. Hiking. Hiking ends with ing. So we go hiking. Football. A competitive sport with a ball. So we play football. And gymnastics. Gymnastics is like an exercise, and it ends with ix. So we do gymnastics. Paddle. Paddle, a competitive sport with a ball. We play paddle. And ballet. Ballet is not really a competitive sport. It's more like an exercise. So we do ballet. Canoeing ends with ing. So we go canoeing. Video games. This is a competitive activity. So we play video games. Karate is a fighting sport that's kind of like an exercise. So we do karate. Swimming ends with ing. So this is very easy. We go swimming. Chess is a competitive activity. So we play chess, just like we play video games. Cycling ends with ing. So we go cycling. Sailing, another one, it ends in ing. So we go sailing. Yoga is like an exercise, so we do yoga. And exercise, the easiest one, we do exercise. Okay, let's practice with Spot the Lie. You will see 3 sports with go, play, or do. 2 are correct, but 1 is incorrect. Find the incorrect one. Let's go. Starting with go. Remember, we use go with sports ending in ing. So, go canoeing, go hiking, go chess. Which is incorrect? Do you know? It's chess. We play chess. Speaking of play, we use play with games with a ball and competitive activities. So, let's see. Play video games, play ballet, play paddle. Which is incorrect? Do you know? It's ballet. We do ballet because ballet is like an exercise. And finally, we use do with all other sports, often exercise activities. So let's see. Do sailing, do karate, do gymnastics. Which is incorrect? Do you know? It's sailing. We go sailing because it ends with ing. Try this exercise. Fill the gaps with go, play, or do in the correct tense. So use the present tense or the simple past tense. Remember words like yesterday, last year, last summer? Help us to know to use the past tense. Let's do an example. Yesterday, after school, I sailing. Okay, sailing ends with ing, so I need to use go. But I see yesterday, so I need to use the past tense. Yesterday after school, I went sailing. Let's review the present tense of go, play, and do. First, go. I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes. We go, you go, they go. Play is regular. I play, you play, he plays, she plays, it plays. We play, you play, they play. And do? I do, you do, he does, she does, it does. We do, you do, they do. Now, what about the simple past tense? For go, go is irregular. I went, you went. He went, she went. It went, we went. You went, they went. Play is regular. I played, you played, he played, she played, it played, we played, you played, they played. And do is irregular. I did, you did, he did, she did, it did, we did, you did, they did. Now, when we use the simple past tense, we need to look for these key words, like yesterday, last year, last month, last week, or last summer, maybe. These words help us to know we should use the simple past tense.
Great! That's all from me. Now you do the exercises. I am going to go do more tap dancing. Bye-bye!